Very good morning, students. Are you all welcome to the online class? Today we are going to see the meiosis. What we have seen in the last class, mitosis. I hope you all are remember the topic. So today we are going to see the meiosis. I'm already saying that meiosis, which means a reduction, division. We say no, they are involvement of a number of phases in the meiosis stage. The first thing we want to know that what is a meiosis and who's discovered the meiosis phase. First, before the topic, mitosis are discovered person is what? Whom? Fleming, right? Here, meiosis are discovered by the farmer in the year of 1905. Okay, a meiosis discovered by the farmer in the year of 1905. Here, this is a kind of cell division where they are taken place na in the sex cell. Where they are taken place ma in the sex cells na their involvement of both a male and a female gametes, that is a sex cell. Just their involvement here, they are having a 46 chromosome, here they are having a 46 chromosome, just sharing of half of the chromosome, that is the 23 chromosome sharing of each male and female. They are both combined in the form of 23 plus na 46 chromosome forming a offspring. Here this kind of a division happen in the meiosis. The first, here a meiosis having a two type of a division. The first one is the heterotype. What is the first one? Heterotypic. And next one, homotypic division. Homotypic division. First one hetero and second one homo. Hetero, a number of division, and here a homo, a single division. Okay, let me see the first one, heterotrophic division. Okay, what is the first topic we are having here? Heterotypic division. Here heterotypic division is divided as a diploid cell into haploid cell. What is a diploid? Two cells are combined, that is a egg are combined to the sperm to divide in a haploid, a number of a cell. Okay, here a first cell divided as a 2, a second a 4, just like that. A heterotype, a diploid cell divide as a haploid cell. Okay, and here the heterotypic, here a daughter cells form this a division different from the parent cell. Daughter cells la irundhu divide ஆகிற parent cells, அதாவது parent cells விட daughter cells totally different இருக்கும். Here there are involvement of 5 phases of a cell division. A first one is prophase. Sorry, what is the first phase? Prophase. And second one is metaphase. And third one is anaphase. Fourth one is telophase. And last one is cytokinesis. Here this is the 5 phases of cell division in heterotypic. Okay ma, daughter cells form from the parent cell. Parent cell and the daughter cell form ஆகுது in the involvement of 5 stages. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, cytokinesis நம்ம ஏற்கனவே பார்த்ததுதான் before the mitotic cell division. Here they are involvement of 2, that is heterotypic and homotypic இல்லையா. So they are having a heterotypic 1, homo போனோனாக்கா that is 2. Here meta 1, ana 1, telo 1, cytokinesis 1. Okay, this is the first stages of. Yes, here first one we are having the prophase. Okay, prophase we already seen that in a mitosis cell. Here a prophase is a longer duration has taken place, so that they are having a 5 subdivision, 5 stages. A first one is the liptotin. What is the first one here given? Liptotin. And second one is the zygotin. And third one is the pathogen. One is the diplotin. And fifth one is the diakinesis. So this is the what ma 5 stages of an a prophase 1. Here they are having a separate function to the stages. The first one is the liptotin. We see the first one, the liptotin. Here this is the first stages of an a cell division in the prophase 1. In that liptotin, that is a derived form of, they are having a separate name meaning also. Here lipto, which mean here lipto, which mean thin, and teen, which mean ribbon. Now you get an idea, right? Here a thin ribbon like structures of a chromosome, that is the liptotin. Just imagine how they are look like. Just have to say diagrammatically. This is the cell, and here this is the nuclear membrane. This is the what? A nucleus. This is the nuclear membrane, and they are having a nucleolus also. Here liptotin stage, a thin a thread-like structures of a chromosome are presented in the liptotin stage. A chromosome become uncoiled thread-like structures, so that they are given a name for the stage also, that is the Voigtkin stage. Here they are taken place in the inside of a nucleus in the liptotin. So that's it for a liptotin. It will move on a next one. Next topic we are having the zygote. Here a zygote, two homologous chromosome approach to each other, being a pair of chromosome, is called a synapses. What they are saying here na, just imagine this is the what? A cell, and here homologous chromosome approach to each other being a pair. So one chromosome approach to each other, they are being in the form of a pair. Okay, here this is the zygote, two homologous. This is the one homologous, this is the one homologous. Two homologous are being in the pair to form a chromosome. So name so they are given a name for that is the synapses. What is the name here? A synapses being a pair of homologous chromosome. And next one we are having a patchtin. What is the next one? Patchtin. Here a patchtin, patches, which mean thick. Okay, we see that a patchtin. Just imagine this is the chromosome. Here this is the cell, and inside of a nucleus they are having a chromosome, right? This is the one chromosome, and here this is the another chromosome. Here and now they are given a name of patchtin. Chromosome or paired or twisted, nothing here. Just like this. They are just parallel to that. Here a chromosome or paired or a twisted. So pair here in this shape of a pair, they are given a one name to that. That is the bivalent. What is the name they are given here? A bivalent, to forming a 4 chromatides thread-like stages. Here homologous pairs are separated in that form of X-shaped arrangement. They are given a chiasmata. When they are starting a chiasmata, here they are having a thread-like sections of chromosome, right? This is the one chromosome, and here they are being in a form of paired. Paired இருக்கும்போது தான் they are given a name of chiasmata. That is a cross section சொல்றாங்க இல்லையா? The name என்னமா name? The stages என்ன name கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Chiasmata. Here in this chiasmata, what will be happen na? Just they are sharing of a genetic material. Just here. Same like that here also. Now what will happen at the end of an apacitate? Just they are sharing of an genetic material to be here and there. Okay, for an example, this is a this is a parent chromosome, this is of a male, and this is a female chromosome. Just they are sharing the character of a male and female chromosome. They are carrying a genetic material to the offspring also. Okay, here they are given a name of recombination takes place in this stage of an apacitate. This is a recombination, that is a crossing over of a chromosome. Combination. Okay, ma. So that's it for a apacitate. Will we move on next one? And next we are having the diplotin. What is the next stage we are having here? Diplotin. Here a diplotin. Each individual chromosome are bivalent. We already say that what is a bivalent? They are in the form of crossing over. What is the name they are given? Bivalent. Here each individual chromosome is bivalent, split into longitudinally, a chiasmata being move along to the length of a parallel of the chromosome in the centromere. Centromere length of the parallel of the chromosome la move பண்ணும். அப்படி மூவ் பண்ணும்போது chiasmata change ஆகாது. Okay ma, the towards the resulting of terminalization. What is the terminalization na? In the chromosome in the direction end of their chromosome. Okay ba, we already said na, they are moving from the opposite poles. A terminalization of a chromosome. Okay, that is a diplotin. And next one we are having the diakinesis. What is the last one? Diakinesis. Here a diakinesis, a paired chromosome are short and thicker at the end of that. Here in the paired chromosome, a short and thickened the membrane. Here in this stage, what will be happen na? The nucleolus, stage nucleolus and nuclear membrane. Just you have to see here. Here in the nuclear membrane and nucleolus start to disappear in this stage, and fiber make the spindle fiber make their appearance. Just attached to that a spindle fiber. They are moved to the opposite poles. So that's it for a diakinesis. Okay ma, let me move on next one. Metaphase 1. Here the next topic we are having the metaphase 1. Here the metaphase 1, a chromosome disappear, the nuclear membrane disappear ஆயிடுச்சு. So just in the form of a chromosome. That metaphase stage la enna ஆகும் பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா, here the chromosome move to the equatorial final orient themselves. Center part vandrum. Okay, but two chromatides of each chromosome do not separated. Here they are having a two chromatide and a centromere. They do not separate, just they come to the center portion in the metaphase. And next one they are having a anaphase. In that anaphase 1, each homologous chromosome with the two chromatides, we already say that each homologous chromosome they are having a two chromatides. Here they are undivided. A chromosome move towards the opposite poles. The chromosome enna பண்ணும், just they are moving towards the opposite poles க்கு move பண்ணுவாங்க with the help of a spindle fibers. This is what ma? Spindle fiber. Okay, now they are getting a divide themselves with the help of a spindle fiber. Just they are moved towards the opposite poles. Here in this opposite poles ko move pandra or stage ko they are given a name to that, that is dyad. Okay, and next one they are having a telophase. What is the next one? A telophase. In the telophase, haploid chromosome are after reaching the respective poles. That is a what? The same like that. Here also the construction will be formed. Here now they are reaching in the respective poles with the help of a spindle fiber. Now they go for a thread-like structure as they are in a first beginning start become uncoiled, elongated, and now what will be happen na? Again the nuclear membrane and nucleolus are replaced themselves. Okay ma, nuclear membrane nucleolus replace பண்ணிட்டு வரும் சரியாப்பா இந்த stage. And last one is the what? Cytokinesis. Cytokinesis. In that cytokinesis we already said that the cell membrane, that is the cytoplasm, are divided as a two to forming a separate daughter cell. In the separate daughter cell they are having a separately nucleus and a nuclear membrane, that is the nuclear membrane chromosome and nucleolus. Okay ba? Just like that, both of them having a separate genetic material here occur in the haploid cells are formed in that cytokinesis phase. Okay, so that's it for an meiosis. The first stage we are on a heterotrophic, so that's it for an heterotrophic. And next one they are having a homotypic division. What is the next one? Homotypic division. Homotypic division.